Welcome to Dreamweave Stories. Have you ever wondered how to navigate a bustling city like a local while improving your English? Stick with me to discover the quickest, most affordable, and even fun ways to get around and learn useful English, words and phrases that will help you speak more confidently in everyday situations. Hi, I'm Ava, and today I'm going to take you on a journey through the different types of public transportation in my city. Whether you're a visitor or a local, knowing how to get around efficiently can save you time and make your daily life easier. Let's explore the various options available. Of the most common ways to travel around the city is by bus. The bus system here is reliable and affordable. There are bus stops on almost every main street, making it easy to catch a bus to different parts of the city. I take the bus to work every morning because it is convenient and inexpensive. The routes are clearly marked, and buses arrive frequently. During peak hours, they can be crowded, but overall, it's a good way to travel. The best part is that many buses now have free Wi-Fi, so I can check my emails or listen to music during my ride. Before we explore our second mode of public transportation, let's go over some important words that will help you understand today's lesson better. These words will also make you sound more confident when speaking English. So let's begin. 1. Reliable. Reliable means something or someone you can trust because they always work well and do what they are supposed to do. If something is reliable, it means you don't have to worry about it failing. For example, the bus system is reliable because it always arrives on time. You can trust it because it follows the schedule. I need a reliable phone that doesn't break easily. A phone that works well and lasts a long time. 2. Affordable. Affordable means something that is not too expensive and is easy to pay for. If something is affordable, you can buy it without spending too much money. For example, the bus fare is affordable, so I take the bus every day. The price is low, making it easy to use regularly. This store sells affordable clothes that still look great. The clothes don't cost too much, but they have good quality. 3. Convenient. Convenient means something that is easy to use, helps save time, and makes life easier. If something is convenient, it means you don't have to put in extra effort. For example, taking the bus is convenient because there are bus stops everywhere. It's easy to find a bus stop near you. Online shopping is convenient because I don't have to leave my house. I can buy things quickly without going to a store. Now let's move on to the second mode of public transportation. If you need to get somewhere quickly, the subway is the best option. The subway network covers the entire city, connecting important locations such as business districts, shopping areas, and residential neighborhoods. I usually take the subway when I have an important meeting because it helps me avoid traffic. The subway is clean and well-maintained, and the trains arrive on time. One thing to remember is that during rush hour, it can be very crowded, so it's best to plan your trip accordingly. Before we move on to the next public transportation, let's take a moment to learn some important words and phrases that will help you understand and talk about this topic more confidently. Efficient. Efficient means something that works very well without wasting time or energy. If something is efficient, it helps you do things quickly and easily. For example, the subway is efficient because it helps me reach my destination quickly. It saves time and works well. Using a planner is an efficient way to manage my daily tasks. It helps me stay organized without wasting time. Rush hour. Rush hour is the busiest time of the day when many people travel to and from work or school. This usually happens in the morning and evening. For example, the subway is very crowded. During rush hour, too many people use the train at the same time. If you leave before rush hour, you will have a more comfortable ride. Traveling earlier means avoiding large crowds. Business district. business district is an area in a city where there are many offices, companies, and tall buildings. This is where most people work. For example, the subway takes me straight to the business district, where my office is. The train stops near my workplace. New York City's Wall Street is a famous business district. It is an area with many companies and offices. All right, let's move on to the next mode of public transportation. In some parts of the city, you can also take a tram. Trams run on tracks and are a great way to see the city while traveling. They are slower than the subway, but they provide a comfortable ride with large windows that allow passengers to enjoy the view. I love taking the tram when I have extra time. It's a peaceful way to travel, and I often use it to visit parks, museums, and historic sites. The ticket prices are affordable, and some trams even have air conditioning for extra comfort in the summer. Our next mode of public transportation is the ferry, a relaxing experience. If you need to cross the river or travel to an island, the ferry is a fantastic option. The ferry provides a beautiful view of the city's skyline, and the ride is usually calm and peaceful. On weekends, I like to take the ferry to visit my grandparents, who live on the other side of the river. The journey takes about 20 minutes, and I enjoy watching the water and feeling the fresh breeze. It's a nice break from the busy city life. All right, let's move on to the next mode of public transportation. A quick and direct ride taxis are available throughout the city, and they are useful when you need to travel quickly. They are more expensive than buses or the subway, but they provide a direct route to your destination. I usually take a taxi when I'm in a hurry or when I have heavy luggage. The drivers know the city well and can find the fastest route. Most taxis now accept card payments, which makes them even more convenient. A fun and eco-friendly option. For short distances, renting a bicycle is a great way to travel. The city has bike lanes, making it safe and easy to ride. I enjoy renting a bike when the weather is nice. It's a great way to exercise while getting around. Plus, it helps reduce pollution and traffic congestion. Public transportation in my city makes life easier and more convenient. Whether you choose the bus, subway, tram, ferry, taxi, or bicycle, there is always a way to reach your destination efficiently. Learning how to use public transportation will help you save time and money while exploring everything the city has to offer. Let's take a moment to learn some important words that will help you understand and talk about public transportation more easily. These words might seem difficult at first, but don't worry. I'll explain them with simple meanings and examples. Let's get started. Destination. Destination means the place you are going to. For example, my destination is the city center. The pilot said we will reach our destination in 2 hours. Fare. Fare means the price you pay for transportation. For example, the taxi fare is higher at night. I asked the driver how much the fare was before getting in. Navigate. Navigate means to find your way through a place. For example, I used Google Maps to navigate the busy streets. She learned how to navigate the subway system easily. Bustling. Bustling means full of activity and noise. For example, the market was bustling with people. Times Square is always bustling with tourists. Residential neighborhood. Residential neighborhood means a place where people live. For example, the new residential neighborhood is very peaceful. We moved to a residential neighborhood near the park. Traffic congestion. Traffic congestion means too many vehicles on the road. For example, traffic congestion is a big problem in large cities. I left early to avoid traffic congestion. Breeze. Breeze means a light wind. For example, I love feeling the breeze on a ferry ride. A cool breeze made the hot day feel better. Now you know all the best ways to travel around the city and some useful English words to describe them. Practice these words in your daily conversations, and you'll sound more confident in no time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. See you in the next video.